Hey, I'm John Wolf, Chief Fitness Officer at Onnit. I want to show you some mobility exercises you could do in preparation for your next chest or upper body push workout. Guys have a tendency to overwork their chest. We want to look like we're wearing a literal suit of armor. But it's important not to rush into your chest or pressing workouts because doing so puts your shoulders at risk. The shoulders are the most mobile joints in the body, and that makes them highly unstable. So loading them up with a lot of weight before you're ready can lead to injuries down the road. Things like rotator cuffs or labral tears. So I'm going to show you 3 movements now that'll pump some blood into your chest and shoulders, hey, even your elbows, warming them up and also improving their range of motion, especially in the overhead position. This is going to be an area that most people are lacking severely and will directly translate into better chest and overhead pressing workouts. Exercise number 1, I'm going to keep it basic with a little push-pull. Now, this exercise is taking that concept of push-pull and exaggerating the motion of the arms, but also the spine itself. Increasing spinal range of motion in flexion and extension is going to increase function and health of your shoulders. So let's break this down. Pretty simple. We're going to pull the elbows back and drop the shoulders away from your ears. Driving the elbows back as far as possible, you're going to feel a good amount of mid-back, upper back activation. Now, as we do that, we're going to go ahead and be prepped for the next portion, the push. Now, pushing away, creating a diamond with the hands, pushing not only through the hands, but pushing through an imaginary wall to round that upper back, getting that spinal flexion that most of us just need to get into sometimes to counter this extended position of the next pull. Alternating between the two for 3 to 5 reps of however many sets you go through the circuit. The arm screw is an excellent exercise to add to any upper body workout prep. Why? Because it's adding rotational elements that we're often lacking, especially if we got a good pump. Most of the exercises we like to focus on hypertrophy tend to limit rotation at the shoulder girdle itself. That'll be the focus of this whole exercise. So the arm screw is going to start with your hands up at your sides, about shoulder height, dropping the shoulders down. We're going to focus on lifting one shoulder and then turning that shoulder forward. Notice that leads the hand along the way, and then turning the hand over so the palm faces the sky. This is getting a ton of rotation in the shoulder and coordinating the shoulder itself with the shoulder girdle. We're going to alternate sides. Lift, turn all the way over, exhale to compress that front of the shoulder down slightly, and then retract, setting the shoulders back and down between each rep for your basic arm screw. Hope! Alpha brain. Sometimes you don't feel focused and alert in the gym, and your workouts can suffer as a result. Alpha Brain contains research-backed ingredients that support mental focus and can help you think more clearly under stress. It's the ultimate way to get in the zone before you hit the gym. Use the coupon code GETONIT for 10% off Alpha Brain at onnit.com. Now, let's get back to the video. Exercise number 3, outside elbow circles. It's pretty basic, but we're going to break this down to get maximum benefit. This variation is going to be focusing a lot on scapular activation, the muscles up and down your shoulder blades, and those stabilizing muscles are going to be really important for all your pressing exercises, especially if it's overhead. So let's break this down. This version, we're going to keep the elbows locked into the ribs as much as possible. So I'm going to turn to the side so you can see the elbows stay in, and then we go double back fist here. As we hit this double back fist position, rather than just let the arms drop to the side, what I want you to think is drive the elbows back to open the chest, and now the knuckles of the back fist, we're going to start reaching towards the back wall slowly, building tension as we slowly extend the arms through a range of motion just outside our normal range. It's going to be like moving through molasses, moving through your own internal tension. That's going to load up the back of the shoulder blades. You might feel a little stretch on the front of the shoulders, but if you feel more stretch than muscular activation on the back, lighten up your tension. We don't want to overstretch those shoulders. That's just not going to translate into better performance that we're after. So that's your 3 exercises, but John, how many sets and how many reps? We're going to keep that simple. 3 to 5. What do you mean? 3 to 5 sets of 3 to 5 reps. Do as many as you feel gets you pumped and warmed up, ready for action today. If you're a little extra sore, do an extra round. If you feel ready to go after 3, go ahead and hit it. Hey, remember, if you like this video, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. For an article on chest training with dumbbells, click on the link in the description.